Hi, welcome back. So we are at the subsection of module search path. Now, this following section is going to be much more about technical information rather than a practical one. So if you'd like, first of all, to understand how the module search path works. When the module name, for example, like say spam, it's the name of the module, is imported, the interpreter first starts to search for built-in modules. Now, these modules names are listed in the sys.built-in module. Now, if not found, then what happens? The search for a file name spam.py start to be taken. Sys.path initialized from this location, one of those, the directory that contain the input script, or from the Python path, or from the installation dependent default. This is the actual way how the module search path works. Next thing, how Python compile files. Now, basically, you have to understand to speed up only loading modules. So not talking about the execution speed, but loading the modules. Python actually cache the compiled version of each module into a directory called the PyCache directory system with different architecture. Next thing, we want to check out something called the built-in function, the dir. Actually, this function is used to find out which names a module defined. Let me show you an example. Remember the MOD, the module that we have created. If I would like to check out the names a module have defined, you would see this is the list of fib and fib2. These are the two functions that I've defined. Also the private function and some other function as well. If I would have maybe to check this sys module, I think we worked on that. Also, you could see a larger list with a lot of other submodules and functions have been also retrieved. Next, I would like to speak about is the package. And this is a very important, let me say, architectural design rather than just only technical one. A package are a way to structure Python's module namespace by using something called the dotted module names. Let's say, for example, suppose we want to design a package for the uniform handling of, say, a sound file system. There are many different sound files, as you know. It could be a wave sound, AU sound, AIFF, whatsoever. And also you have to create and maintain growing collection of modules for convention between various type format. Also, there are many different operations you might want to do, such as mixing, editing, maybe equalizing. Here are a possible structure maybe you might think of. This is the name of the package called sound, and inside it, there is the format, there is effects, and there are filters. So inside the format, there are many modules. Each one of them operates certain tasks related to the formatting. Also, you've got the effects like the echo, surrounded, reverse, etc. And you've got some filter tasks such as equalizing or VO coding, etc. We need to inform the interpreter this is a package. It isn't just only an ordinary directory. That's where is the job for a file called the __init__.py. They are required to make Python treat this directory containing the files as a package. And this prevent actually directories with common names such as string maybe from unintentionally hiding valid modules that occur later on the module search path. Now, in the simplest case, this init file just be an empty, nothing. And but it can also, of course, execute initialization code for the package or to set the underscore all variable. We will see it in a while. If I would like to import a package from this, so as simple as saying, for example, import, this is the name of my package, which is sound. I would like to work with the effects, and then dot, here is the module echo. I would like to work with the echo. Alternatively, also what you could do, something else, maybe you could say, well, from the sound, dot the effects, I want you to import the echo. Maybe alternatively, I could say from sound dot effects, right, dot echo. Right now I'm inside that level of echo here. I would like to import particular function, for example, X. What happened actually if I would have to write something like from sound import just all? This could take a long time, and importing submodules might have unwanted side effects. So the only solution is for the package author is to provide an explicit index of the package. So the import statement will use the following convention. So basically inside this init.py, inside the editor, I should be writing something like this, okay, which is equal to a list. Then decide on the name of the modules that you would like to import. What happened if I would have to import all? Basically, by default, it will go and search for this and will import only for you the echo and surround. Now, the next thing maybe you want to talk about, it's about the intra-package reference. Say, for example, this module here, the equalizer or the VO coder, would like to use the echo. You could just say from at the beginning of this of the module, from the sound dot, of course, effects. I want you to import, for example, the echo. Alternative, maybe also you could say from dot, the root of my package, I want you to import the echo. So this one dot, from where is the file here? So from this level here, I want you to import the echo. Also, you could say from the double dot that will go one step farther, I want you to import, for example, a built-in function inside the echo. So that was all for modules. Next, we shall be working on input and output in Python. I will see you then.